Hi guys, I'm Leon. In this channel, we talk about everything work from home while romanticizing our everyday life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's grow together. I'm deciding to cook because I might not cook for the rest of this week. And I know during the week I will need pub. And the only thing that's making me not to be able to cook is because I have courses that I need to complete. Okay. I have courses that I need to complete. Oh my goodness, you know what? I'm gonna get here. I have courses that I need to complete. So I'm thinking this whole thing of having to cook midweek might not work out. And I'm gonna make sure that I have, at least I have stuff. I'm gonna figure it out when it comes to meat or any other thing that I will have with the stuff that I have now.
Regretful for what I said, but I cannot take it back, and all I can do right now is try and explain to Liz that's how bad it was.
Yeah, but that was
and
many years ago.
I know that, but I'm programmed, and it takes years of deprogramming, and especially trying.
You have
and I
to.
do need more black
I just see
friends.
people as people, like really, you know. I mean, for fuck's sake. Where did you come from? What's your room? But no.
I know at this time I should be studying, but I've not left this place today. And I'm not feeling quite well. You know, this feeling that I'm having, I've been feeling like this since morning. And it feels like I had alcohol yesterday. You know when you have ipapalas? Although I don't look like I was drinking an orange juice first part. And when I wake up, it felt like maybe I had a heater on the whole night. You know that feeling that you get? Like you feel something on your chest, also in your chest, and also in your nostrils as well. And you just don't feel okay. So for now, I'm just gonna chill outside. Because I don't know if it's just me, it's just my body needing fresh air or what.
Mel, and why? Okay. She's a liar. Okay.
No, I have
Took shits
cheese.
about people. Okay. Never want to see Mel again. I'm not.
Because this thing has been keeping me busy. I don't know if I'm lonely or what. But I can't be lonely because I have things to do. And if I wanted to go out, I'd have gone out. But I don't want to go out because there are a lot of things that I need to do. And now I have to choose whether to watch TV, watch other people's vlogs, or study. Let me finish. I have, let me say 1 hour 30 minutes because currently I have 1 hour 30 minutes before it's my sleep time. I shouldn't be yawning right now because by the time I was not doing anything that was productive, I was not yawning like this. So I should get started with my courses and do these things and understand them. Because tomorrow is Monday. Oh.
So let's go ahead and try and fix this request. First of all, we're going to remove this text. is required what we already have done. And we need to send the body in the JSON format. And fortunately, we already have here an example. We can simply go ahead and copy the JSON that we see here, jump back, and paste it here. So let's give it a try.
Wait a bit. While I was standing here, I realized that I completely forgot to water my strawberry plants, and most of them have dried up. And the crazy thing about having one problem is that when you try to solve it, you sometimes run into another problem. Tell me why my door was not opening at this time. It needed to be out the most.
Oh my goodness.
Out of the door. And of course I tried to force it. I hit myself. Turns out the reason it wouldn't open, a knee had fallen out of the door. This time, not me trying to fix it with my hands. Sometimes it feels like life throws the tiniest things at you and suddenly they stop everything in its track. Now between thinking about my training, my plans, and now it's Ghetto. It feels like there's always something demanding your attention. I finally watered them and I'm just hoping that they recover. If they actually grow and bear fruit, they'll be my first plant and the ever successful. I didn't notice the time. I'm only realizing now that I was supposed to have prepared the bed around this time an hour ago, and now I need to just hit the bed. I really need to hit the bed at this time because it's late. It's late. I was supposed to be 47 minutes asleep by now. I don't even know why I'm filming this because I'm supposed to be asleep by now. Let me just go to sleep. I'll see you tomorrow. That is what I put on when I am working indoors. This week has been the most hectic week of my life, and not because I had a lot of meetings, but I have a course that I need to complete, and this is a course on Postman and the API, the REST API testing. So I need to complete this course so that I can be able to work on the task that will be assigned to me. And at this point in time, I feel like it's just too much because I need to complete this course so I can be able to complete the task that will be given to me. And this is a prerequisite into the team that I'm joining. Yeah, I'm joining a team that's all about integration and automation. So I really need to be tech savvy. And you can imagine, from somebody who's moving from manual testing to the space. Yeah. Last time I wrote a code or even a line of code was probably 3 years back. Yeah, 3 years back actually. But here I am, and I was so looking forward to this. I remember sometime last year I was so looking forward to this to say, ish, you know what, the world is moving towards AI and everything automation. I wanna move back to that space. Like I wanna be more technical than do the manual stuff. But I think it will take me a while. But also I think not really a while, but I think it will take a lot for me to get to to this rhythm, but once I'm there, I think I'll enjoy. And I'm looking forward to this growth. I'm looking forward to this growth. Yeah. Do I look tired? I don't look tired. I look energized, but I'm tired, like mentally tired. Yeah, let's get this done. Because if I don't do it, before I know it, they'll be asking me if I've completed it, and I should be able to say yes, and also be able to approach whatever problem that I have in hand. So yeah, let's keep pushing. O'clock and I've not finished with my course. I guess I would. Gosh, I think I'm gonna juggle it during the weekend. For now, we may just need to turn this off. Let me see if I can push for like 10 minutes more, and from there I'm just gonna sit outside. I guess I did what I could. Let's watch the Ultimate Girls Trip reunion. I really need to watch it. You may be wondering, where am I going this late? Also with the swimming costume. Izzy invited me to the pool, so that we used to usually go there swim around 7, but because of the weather that changed over time, and the water would get cold and we wouldn't go as we used to, we kind of like gradually stopped going there. And yeah, it's been a while. It's been months without going there, and we're going there today. And I'm gonna take you with me. Let's see. And my only fear is me getting there and find that the water is cold, because I'm not gonna get in there. If the water is cold, I'm not gonna get in. I already applied Vaseline so that I don't feel way too cold. But yeah, I pray and pray and pray that when I dip my feet in there, I feel that this water is warm. That water has to be warm, else I'm not getting in. Yeah, let me take you with me. Let's go. Yeah, I can do it. Yeah, now
They're not sensing us.
Please come again. I don't know. We're here by the pool. The pool is dirty. We need to clean before we can even swim. I don't even know if the water is warm or what. Please come again.
I'm saying this complex and maintenance, I don't think they are best.
You don't think that? Oh my god, the water is cold. Easy.
That's the thing, you're not supposed to touch the water. And it's a lot, It's a lot.
Okay, I can do it.
And I was not supposed to touch it as well.
Okay.
Even the last time I had to ask them.
It's a bit windy.
Huh?
It's a bit windy.
Yeah. It is. But it's hard too to drink. It's so hot.
So I forgot my cap and juggles, and I went back to the house just to fetch them, and Izzy was left in the pool cleaning. But the water is cold, and we decided that we're not getting in there. So we're not getting into the water. You see how how clean the pool is now. Izzy was the one cleaning, and she's down there. I don't know if you can be able to see it. But yeah, so we're not getting into the pool because the water is cold. Like it's cold. It's Saturday morning and I'm taking my car for spray work, and this means that I'm not going to be having a car for like 4 days. I don't know how many days, but probably a week. Am I prepared? Yes, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I'm prepared for this. But there are Ubers. There are other means of transportation that I'm gonna use. I guess it's time. I've been postponing this whole thing for a while now. Let's go. Oh my goodness, I already told this person that I'm gonna be there at exactly 10 minutes to. And now it's 10 minutes to. But it's 600 meters drive from here. Oh Lord. So when I come back, because I'm not going to be mobile, I'll need to do my courses. Yeah, me not having a car will really make me disciplined, and I'll be able to push my courses. I'll be able to push those courses, because I don't think I've been pushing them the way I should have. You know, I find myself repeating those videos over and over again. And yeah, I'm here now. Not entirely, but I'm getting here. I'm here already.
Very good for driving.
Who?
You are nice for driving.
Why are you saying that?
Huh? That's not the way driving is. Anyway, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Yeah, no, great to start. I forgot I told you it's from 10 o'clock.
Yeah, you said. Shop, shop. So now I have to walk back home. So I'm going back to fetch the car, and I'll take it back there tomorrow. I don't know if this is reasonable, but yeah. So it's a bit cold where I am. It's chilly, a bit chilly. Down cold. So yeah, that's what it is. It's quite a distance when you're walking, but I'm loving it. I cannot complain. I'm loving the fact that I'm gonna be walking. It's some sort of an exercise. Whew. I've not walked a distance like this in a while. I don't know if this will expose how unfit I am or what, but let's do it. Hi. I don't even. No. I don't even know why I'm speaking to strangers. But maybe that's a me thing. Yeah, in the morning was a different kind of a feeling. But now it's much better because it's an incline. So it kind of feels like I'm just propelled downhill. And it doesn't need much of an effort from my side. I'm just like, oh, you know. Yes. I'm also noticing that I'm running out of battery. I didn't charge my camera, so I'm running out of battery. Oh, I still need to walk, okay? But I'm a professional walker. I'm a professional walker, guys. I can walk, man. I just have my days actually, but I can walk for hours and hours and hours and hours and not get tired. And at the same time, it's not something that I usually do, but when I do it wholeheartedly. There's this other yard here that gives me ideas. They have plants right by on the outside, just outside the gate. And I've seen these plants being sold at Spar for like 110 rand. And I'm like, I can get that plant here outside. I don't know, are they gonna call me a thief for that? But it's not like I'm gonna take a lot of them, just one plant. Because there are a lot. I'm going to show you when. It's not possible to show you when I come back. It's not possible for me to show you when I come back. I don't know if you can hear me because there are a lot of cars passing by now. Yeah, but I'm just going to take only one plant. So I don't know. I don't know, but I'm gonna do the same thing tomorrow, which will be Sunday. And I'll have to think about it today, and tomorrow I'll decide if I'm taking it or not. Yeah. Like, it's just gonna be one plant. Like, it's a small plant. I don't know. It's a small plant, man. That's another thing, and there are a lot. So will they be like I stole? Obviously I wouldn't have asked, but they're in a public space, and that means that they belong to the public. So I'm just taking a portion of it so that I can plant it in the house. Yeah. Let me see if I can do this. Yes, I'm tired now. I'm so tired. Okay, I'm getting tired. Ngaze ngayisho into. Ngibulabule ele nuku ankarale yiso famba esamina. I'm gonna get into a steep now, so it might not get to be nicer as it was. So yeah. I'm closer to getting it. Huh? No, I'm not going far. I'm actually coming here. Like, I left you in the complex. Now you're getting me here. Why did it take so long? You? Yeah, you took time. You needed to fix it? You needed to fix it? Oh, okay. Bye. Yes, I stay there. I am? Yes. No, I'm coming here. I'm just going to, like, the gate is on the other side. Yeah. Huh? Why didn't I say? No, like I wanted to walk.
Make exercise.
Yes. Go before sitting at home. They were already busy with that and were done scraping the outer paint or the paint person. The paint, but seems like the guy got way too busy and he kind of like started and stopped. Started and stopped and he got busy with other things. But then is that I was gonna do it tomorrow. Yeah, I can come tomorrow and see the work. I'm gonna go there tomorrow. I need to walk on the other side. There are these, where I'm working right now, there are these things, there are these thorns that if ever they stick into my these kinds, these ones, if you know them, oh my goodness, why am I showing you? This one, if they stick into my shoes and I get into the house with this and I step in this, I'll cry. I'll cry tears. So I need to walk on the other side of the road because wow. And here are those plants. You see? So it's not bad to just take one, right? It's only one. So I just took this and I'm gonna plant it. So I'm gonna put it here.
Does it have a mic? Okay, hello guys. The name's Sean Patra. Those that know. Yeah, I met this wonderful lady today. She was vlogging, and I have one thing for her, one piece of words rather. Shout out to you for pushing your passion. Stay blessed, keep going, don't stop. That's how you make it. Never stop.
Thank you.
Even when it gets hard.
Yeah. Thanks. Thanks for the ice cream and taking the hijack.
How does it feel? Yo, hijacked chocolate. So I'm hijacking it.
It feels good. It feels good. Because, I mean, you didn't want to buy this. You wanted to buy whatever that you wanted to buy.
Where were you coming from?
I was coming from the dealership.
You wanna buy a car?
I was checking my car.
You're checking your car?
No, it doesn't make sense. That I'm from the spray shop.
You're from what?
Spray workshop.
Oh, you scratched it.
They bumped me actually.
What car is it?
This is nice. It's a Honda Amaze.
Honda Amaze. I don't think I've seen it in there. Can you get the brownish car?
It's radiant red.
I don't think I've seen
So
it.
the red that looks like maroon. Where? This?
So what's on guys? Guys, this girl is lying to me. And then where are you from?
I'm from Limpopo.
What's your guy?
I'm from Limpopo.
Okay.
India.
Oh. Mabola kasi man. Okay. Vukonizi. So prefer which name? Huh?
Anyway,
Any.
call me Leon or you call me Bukani. So that's still my name.
Akaya Vakvitaban.
Leon. Then never call me Bukani.
Leon. How do I turn this? Oh.
And flip it around.
Oh, I shouldn't flip it.
It will convert the footage to
Portrait.
and I want to use it for issue.
What's your YouTube? Leon Vukona. Mashimbe. Kana
No,
ureki.
not machines. Shibambe.
Shibambe. Another dimple. Cute, beautiful girl. Mara ungaro nonchalant nyana so. Because like it's just like yeah, ice cream. Like I can still get jealous, but this woman is very nonchalant. She's really pretty though.
Was I supposed to say ice cream? And cry?
No, like Mara, like I don't know. I'm just getting that like from when I nonchalant, it's nonchalant.
I'm not.
You're not.
I'm Shalan.
You're chalant, bueno. Ana alame. Na alame.
I don't come to some ice cream with a shower coke.
You made me make poor decisions. I used money I shouldn't have used.
What do you mean? This is the nicest part of the ice cream.
The stick. Dynamic framing.
I wonder what we are doing there. And then we had to put me nonchalant.
Nonchalant. How old are you?
29. How old are you?
20. So what advice do you have for me as a child growing up? Something that in this 10 years gap that...
You don't even need advice. You just need to live your life. You don't need any advice. You need to live your life.
Is that what you did and what you're currently doing? Then
Nobody knows it best
than yourself, no?
than having to experience it. People will lie and be like, oh, you need to just do what you want to do. Experience it for yourself. You'll only be 21.
Another phase detection.